Dear loving students, let us come to the second part of the chapter, The Land of Snow. In the previous part of the chapter study, I have told you about the location of Greenland, land, climatic conditions, which is too extreme, vegetation. Many vegetations cannot be done because of the thick layer of ice sheet. Wildlife, very few number of wildlife that is possible because of the extreme climatic conditions. Now let's come to the next point, life of the people. The Inuits. Who are Inuits? Inuits are a group of culturally similar indigenous people inhabiting the Arctic regions of Greenland, Canada, and Alaska. From where these Inuits come from? The Inuits came to Greenland from North America and settled here many years ago. Over time, they have adapted themselves to the harsh climatic conditions. Now, let us see about the physical structure of the Inuits. The Inuits are short and stout. They have flat face, narrow eyes, and copper yellow skin. They wear clothes from the skins of seals. Their jackets, called parkas, have hoods to cover their heads. They generally wear double trousers and high boots, also made of seal skin to keep themselves warm. As I have told you, very few animals we can find in Greenland. Out of that animals only, they make various woolen clothes for their survival. The people who live in the extreme north build snow houses or igloos during the winter season. They use large blocks of ice to construct them. The igloos are dome-shaped. A hole is made in the center of the dome to allow smoke and hot air to pass through. Now we are discussing about the house they make in order to live. We can find a peculiar house depending upon the climatic conditions of Greenland. The floor is covered with skin and furs of animals. During summers, people live in tents made of animal hide. These are called topics. In recent years, people have started living in modern houses. The people start to change their lifestyle according to the locality and also the latest technology. The Inuits are hardworking, cheerful, and hospitable people. For hundreds of years, they lived by hunting, fishing, and gathering roots. During summer and spring, in the past, they got most of the things they needed by hunting animals. Nowadays, they can buy goods brought in from other countries. From this, what we come to know is that many years they lived in the remote areas and led a primitive life. Gradually, the people of Greenland have started to change their lifestyle. Now let's come to the next point, occupations. What are the occupations they do? Inuits are skilled fishermen and hunters. They hunt animals for their meat, skin and fat. Earlier, they used harpoons to hunt animals. Now they use automatic rifles. The Inuits use small boats called kayaks to hunt sea animals. A broader boat called umiak is used to hunt whales. These boats are also used for transportation. On land, Inuits use sledges. So, through transportation which they use is that on land they use sledges and on the sea they use different types of boats. The lifestyle of the Inuits has undergone many changes in recent times. Now they use motorboats and motorized sledges. Many people also work in mines and oil fields. A large number of Inuits have migrated to towns and cities. From this, what we come to know is that many years they have lived primitive life in the remote areas. Their main occupation was to hunt animals on land and also on seas. Gradually, people start to go to cities and towns for various other works, especially in oil fields and also in factories. In that way, people have started to migrate from one place to another in order to look for a better job. Now let's come to the last point, cities. The thick sheet of ice has restricted settlement to the coastal areas. There are very few large towns in Greenland. Nuuk is the capital and the largest city. Sisimiut and Ilulissat are the other big cities. The total population of Greenland is about 56,000. So, after learning about different features of Greenland, what we need to remember is that people have started to change their lifestyle from primitive to modern life. In that way, people have started to transform their own life. From this, I wish to wind up the lesson. You may please go through this chapter and read it 5 times. Later, I will send all the exercises and question answers, and you may please learn it well so that you will be able to write the exam well. With this, I wind up this class. I remain. Thank you.